Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Currency questions look scary, but this one breaks fast if you track who gets cheaper goods and who gets pricier goods after depreciation. When Wayland's currency depreciates, Wayland money buys fewer high-top goods, but high-top money buys more Wayland goods. So Wayland exports become cheaper abroad, and Wayland import purchases become tougher. At the same time, high-top's currency is stronger relative to Wayland's, so high-top consumers can import from Wayland more easily, while high-top exporters face higher prices for buyers in Wayland. That means the winners are Wayland exporters because they sell cheaper abroad, and high-top importers because Wayland goods cost them less. So answer E wins. Well done! Scan now. Trap, mixing up directions, and rushing. Rule, trust the given depreciation, then check who buys cheaper and who sells cheaper.